What is information? Information is processed and interpreted data placed within a meaningful context. What does DICOV stands for? DICI, we stands for data, information, knowledge and wisdom. DICOV. What are the examples of passive digital footprints? Give any two examples. Passive digital footprint is made up of the information that companies are harvesting behind the scenes, such as browsing data, IP addresses, and purchasing habits. Examples of passive digital footprints are IP address, browsing history. What is the use of model, data, information, knowledge, and wisdom? DICOV model describes how the data can be processed and transformed into information, knowledge, and wisdom, and then finally decisions in pursuit of achieving goals are made. What is wisdom? The wisdom is the fourth and the last step of the DICOV model. Applying wisdom is a process to get the final result by calculating through extrapolation of knowledge. Write any four qualities of information. Four qualities of information: accuracy. Information should be accurate, free from errors, and reflect the true state of affairs to ensure reliability and trustworthiness. Relevance. Information should be relevant to the intended purpose or context, providing value and addressing specific needs or requirements. Completeness. Information should be complete, containing all relevant details and data necessary for understanding and decision making. Timeliness. Information should be timely and up to date, reflecting the most current data available and enabling timely decision making and actions. What is the objective of information technology, IT? The objective of information technology, IT, is to utilize technology to manage, process, store, and communicate information efficiently and effectively. IT aims to enable organizations and individuals to leverage technology, tools, and systems to achieve their goals, improve productivity, enhance communication, streamline operations, and innovate in various domains. What is the meaning of knowledge in DICOV model? In the DICOV, data, information, knowledge, wisdom model, knowledge represents synthesized information that has been analyzed, understood, and internalized. Knowledge involves making connections, identifying patterns, and drawing conclusions from information. It reflects a deeper level of understanding and expertise that enables individuals to apply information in meaningful ways, solve problems, and make informed decisions. What is the impact of data in healthcare industry? Data has a significant impact on the healthcare industry by facilitating improved patient care, operational efficiency, and medical research. Some key impacts of data in healthcare include personalized medicine. Data analytics enable personalized treatment plans based on individual patient data, leading to better outcomes and reduced healthcare costs. Healthcare management. Data-driven tools and systems help healthcare providers streamline operations, optimize resource allocation, and improve patient flow and satisfaction. Medical research. Data analytics contribute to medical research by analyzing large datasets to identify disease patterns, risk factors, and treatment effectiveness, leading to advancements in healthcare knowledge and innovation. Population health management. Data analytics support population health initiatives by identifying trends, predicting disease outbreaks, and designing targeted interventions to improve public health outcomes. Who might track your digital footprints? Various entities might track your digital footprints, including internet service providers. ISPs can track your online activities, including websites visited, searches performed, and online purchases made. Search engines and social media platforms. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Twitter track user interactions and behavior to personalize content and target advertisements. Advertisers and marketers. Advertisers track online behavior to deliver targeted advertisements based on user interests, demographics, and browsing history. Government agencies. Government agencies may monitor digital footprints for surveillance or law enforcement purposes, particularly in the context of national security or criminal investigations. Cybercriminals. Cybercriminals may track digital footprints to steal personal information, commit identity theft, or perpetrate cyber attacks such as phishing scams or ransomware attacks. What are ways of protecting us from creating negative data footprints? Ways of protecting ourselves from creating negative data footprints include being mindful of what information we share online, using privacy settings on social media platforms, minimizing the use of public Wi Fi networks for sensitive transactions, regularly reviewing and adjusting privacy settings on devices and apps, using strong and unique passwords, being cautious of phishing attempts and suspicious links regularly, updating software and antivirus programs, and educating ourselves about data privacy best practices. How does data affect our lives in field of healthcare? Data profoundly affects our lives in the field of healthcare by enabling personalized medicine tailored to individual genetic profiles and medical histories, facilitating the analysis of vast amounts of patient data for medical research and clinical trials, improving diagnosis accuracy through data-driven insights and predictive analytics, optimizing treatment plans and medication management, enhancing patient care coordination and communication among healthcare providers, and empowering patients with access to their electronic health records for informed decision-making and self-management of health. What are the two types of data recovery? The two types of data recovery are physical data recovery, involves retrieving data from storage devices that have suffered physical damage, such as hard drive crashes, water or fire damage, or electronic failure. This process often requires specialized equipment and expertise to repair or extract data from the damaged hardware. Logical data recovery involves recovering data from storage devices that have experienced logical issues, such as accidental deletion, file corruption, or formatting errors. This process focuses on restoring data without physical damage to the storage medium. Give some examples of how data impacts our daily lives. Examples of how data impacts our daily lives include personalized recommendations on streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify, targeted advertisements on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, real-time traffic updates and route optimization on navigation apps like Google Maps, personalized health insights from fitness trackers and health monitoring apps, online shopping suggestions based on browsing history and purchase behavior, and smart home devices adjusting settings based on user preferences and habits. How do online streaming platforms use data? Online streaming platforms use data for various purposes, including personalized content recommendations based on viewing history and preferences, content categorization and tagging for easier search and discovery, audience segmentation and targeting for advertising purposes, analysis of user engagement metrics to optimize content delivery and user experience, monitoring viewer behavior to detect trends and preferences, and licensing negotiations with content creators and distributors based on viewership data and audience demographics. Write the characteristics of each stage of the Dickov pyramid. Characteristics of each stage of the Dickov, data, information, knowledge, wisdom, pyramid are data, raw facts and observations that lack context and relevance, information, processed and organized data that has been given context, structure, and meaning, knowledge, information that has been interpreted, analyzed, and understood within a specific context, leading to insights, patterns, and correlations, wisdom, application of knowledge and experience to make informed decisions and solve problems effectively, considering ethical and long-term implications. How does data science help in field of travel and transportation? In the field of travel and transportation, data science helps improve operational efficiency by optimizing route planning and scheduling, predicting demand and capacity utilization, enhancing safety and security through predictive maintenance and risk analysis, personalizing customer experiences through targeted marketing and service recommendations, optimizing pricing strategies based on demand forecasting and market trends, and facilitating real-time monitoring and response to disruptions such as traffic congestion or weather events. Differentiate between active and passive data footprint. Active data footprint refers to the intentional data trail left by individuals through their deliberate online activities, such as posting on social media, making online purchases, or conducting web searches. Passive data footprint, on the other hand, refers to the unintentional data collected about individuals through their interactions with various digital technologies, such as cookies, location tracking, and device sensors, often without their explicit consent or awareness. Explain any two examples of data footprint. Two examples of data footprints are social media activity, active data footprint created by individuals through their voluntary interactions and contributions on social media platforms, including posts, likes, comments, shares, and profile information, location tracking, passive data footprint generated by mobile devices continuously recording and transmitting location data, which can be collected and analyzed by various apps and services to track user movements, behavior patterns, and preferences. Differentiate between physical and logical data recovery. Physical data recovery involves retrieving data from storage devices that have suffered physical damage, such as hard drive crashes, physical trauma, or hardware malfunctions. This process may require repairing or replacing damaged components, utilizing specialized equipment and techniques for data extraction, and often involves higher costs and longer turnaround times. Logical data recovery, on the other hand, focuses on restoring data from storage devices that have experienced logical issues, such as accidental deletion, file corruption, or formatting errors, without physical damage to the storage medium. This process typically involves software-based solutions for data restoration and may be more straightforward and less costly compared to physical recovery methods. Write 5 causes of data loss. 5 common causes of data loss include hardware failure, such as hard drive crashes, disk errors, or component malfunctions, human error, accidental deletion, formatting, or overwriting of data by users, software corruption, virus or malware infections, software bugs, or system crashes leading to data corruption, natural disasters, such as fires, floods, earthquakes, or power surges damaging hardware and data storage devices, theft or loss, theft of devices containing sensitive data or loss of data due to misplaced or stolen hardware. What are the steps for data analysis? Steps for data analysis typically involve defining objectives, clearly articulate the research questions or business goals that the analysis aims to address, data collection, gather relevant data from various sources, ensuring its quality, completeness, and relevance to the analysis objectives, data cleaning and preparation, preprocess the data to handle missing values, outliers, inconsistencies, and formatting issues, ensuring data quality and suitability for analysis. Exploratory data analysis, EDA explore the data visually and statistically to identify patterns, trends, correlations, and outliers, gaining insights into the underlying structure and characteristics of the data.